Good morning, and thank you for tuning into your daily operations weather brief for Thursday, March 15th. We are seeing some mostly sunny skies out there this morning, but another chilly morning across the area. However, we do anticipate a more seasonable day temperature-wise, and it is going to be breezy yet again today as we go into the late morning and afternoon hours with another wind advisory expected by lunchtime. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the area. Pretty similar surface analysis that we have been seeing the past few days here with that low pressure system hanging out across the northeastern United States. It has been slowly weakening, but we are going to continue to see that hanging out there for another day or two along with the upper level trough, and that is going to continue to give us some slightly below average temperatures as well as continued breezy winds as the pressure gradient remains tight across the area. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop here, we are seeing mostly sunny skies across the area like I had mentioned. We're starting to see those winds pick up from the west-southwest as we go into the mid-morning hours here, and by lunchtime it does look like we are going to be seeing those wind advisory criteria met with the wind gusts to around 35 miles per hour expected today. It is going to be slightly warmer today with more of a southwesterly flow, so expecting more seasonable temperatures in the 50s opposed to the mid-40s that we have been seeing in the past few days. As of 8 a.m., we were seeing a few clouds down to the south around 18,000. Westerly winds at 10 knots, gusting to 18 knots with a temperature of 36 degrees. Taking a look at our weather hazards for today. Starting to see those winds pick up a little bit as of 8 a.m. We do anticipate like I had said, those wind advisory by lunchtime and into the rest of the workday, and then those winds are going to weaken and then shift more westerly as we go towards sunset, and then we will be seeing those winds die down overnight around 5 to 10 knots from the northwest, and then shifting northwesterly as we go into Friday morning. We're going to see a high today of around 52 degrees, and then we're going to be looking at another chilly morning with a low of 33 degrees tomorrow. We're going to be seeing some weak upper-level energy rotate around that upper-level trough across the northeastern part of the country, and that is going to help give us an uptick in cloud cover as we go into the afternoon hours. Can't rule out a very slight chance of an isolated sprinkle across the area, only looking around a 10 to 15% chance of that at that time, as we are under a rather dry air mass. Take a look at our terminal forecast today. We are seeing just a few clouds down to the south at around 18,000 feet. As we go into the late morning hours, we'll start to see some more clouds moving to the area, mainly at the 6,000 and 10,000 foot levels. By this afternoon, we could be seeing that 10,000 foot level become broken at times, with even a chance of overcast deck near the 6,000 foot level in the afternoon. We're going to continue to see decks near 5 to 6,000 feet up to around 8 to 10,000 feet as we go into the late afternoon hours, and then as we go into this evening, we're going to start to see those cumulus clouds that are going to give us those cloud decks start to scour out with the loss of the daytime heating. So by midnight tonight, we're just going to be seeing a few clouds near the 5,000 foot level, and then possibly seeing an uptick of clouds as we go into tomorrow morning as a little bit more upper level energy swings through the area, increasing cloud cover for Friday morning. Taking a look at the next few days here, tomorrow we're going to be looking at another below average day temperature wise, only a high of 47 expected. It is going to be breezy yet again as we go into the late morning and afternoon hours with gusts around 35 miles per hour expected, possibly a little bit higher than that at times as we get into the more daytime heating in the afternoon. For Friday night, we're actually going to have some high pressure quickly drop down from the north, and that is going to be settling across the area. That's going to help to cut off those breezy winds that we have been seeing the past several days. It's also going to give us some mostly clear skies and a chilly low of 30 degrees for Friday night. Saturday morning looks to be partly cloudy, and then we are going to see clouds quickly increase, though, as we have a upper-level disturbance move in from the west. That is going to move into the area as we go into the afternoon hours, and after about 12 p.m., it does look like our rain chances are going to start to really increase across the area. So rain is looking more and more likely as we go into Saturday afternoon and evening. Could even see a couple snowflakes mix in to areas farther north from here around Salisbury and the Delaware portions of the Delmarva, as we got a little bit colder air sticking around up in the northern parts of the area. We are still expecting a pretty chilly high here on Saturday of 46 degrees. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.